So this is pretty cool. This is the Africa Twin, which is a super adventure stroke super tourer from Honda. And you get the monoblock calipers, so the brakes are very powerful. You do get those nice Showa forks, which are pretty competent. And it's 1100cc parallel twin, and that's the radiators tucked away as they are. This one is the DCT, so it's the double clutch transmission, which means it shifts gears incredibly fast, which means you don't have to worry about shifting gears. So it is a quite fast super adventure bike. These get 45 mpg, but off-road, so you notice that the tyres are definitely a different profile from road focused tyres, and nice red frame. It's in the Africa twin colours of white, blue and red, so it actually does look pretty good. You can fit panniers to these, you can fit top box to these, and nice coating as well, that bronzy effect on the engine casing, which looks really good. It's fuel injected, computer control, it's pretty reliable. It looks like you do get cruise control, and you get a nice TFT there, and you also notice it's got that plastic piece over the TFT, so the idea of that is that if it's a very sunny day, it's designed to help block out the sunlight on the TFT to make it easier to read. And the handlebars are nice and straight, so they're pretty comfortable. You can do massive amount of miles on the Africa Twin in comfort because you're low in the seat. You've got a massive windscreen, you've got those aerodynamic panels, and it is very